A, B, C. Creative Studio. Making a DIY photo frame.
Get a cardboard to use as a frame and cut like this. Make it sure that you measured it bigger than the size of your photo.
Cut the board using a cutter.
Color the frame using a color paint. Then coat it with a glue so we can spread the glitters around the frame. Ready to put the photo at the back of your frame using a glue gun. Put a paper flower on your frame to add design. Put a sticker beads on the side to make more attractive. Print a butterfly to add more effects on your frame. You can buy a ready-made sticker words or you can print online to be more creative. Get a cord to make a handle to hang your artwork. A perfect photo frame design. Amazing artwork.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.